Welcome to Intelligere. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to manage and upload B2B entries using the B2B CNDN module. Step 1. Click on the B2B CNDN module from your dashboard. Step 2. Select the B2B option and then click on the Upload File button. Step 3. Choose the GST portal file from your system. Step 4. Once uploaded, your matched and unmatched entries will be displayed. Step 5. Unmatched entries will be clearly highlighted in red. Step 6. Unmatched entries may appear if the ledger is not found in Tally. Step 7. To fix this, click on the Create button next to the unmatched entry to create the required ledger in Tally. Step 8. Once the ledger is created, that entry will automatically move to the matched entries list. Step 9. If the same GST number exists in multiple ledgers, those entries will remain unmatched. Step 10. In this case, select the correct common purchase ledger. Step 11. Tick the checkbox for the applicable CGST, SGST, or IGST ledger based on your requirement. Step 12. Finally, click on the Send to Tally button. Your voucher entries will now be generated in Tally. And that's it. You've now successfully uploaded and managed B2B entries using Intelligere's B2B CNDN module. You've just streamlined your B2B entry process with Intelligere. From identifying unmatched ledgers to creating entries and sending them to Tally, every step is built for clarity, speed, and control. Need help? Our friendly support team is just a message away. Call or email us using the details on screen. And don't forget to book your demo today. Future of Accounting, Intelligere.